Hello.
If you're a first-time car owner or planning to buy your first car, this one's for you. Pedro reviews with tips for first-time car owners. These are some initial must-know about the upkeep of car ownership we can share from experience. Number 1. Maintenance matters. After the initial free maintenance checks, it's important to keep up with scheduled services. Tires, batteries, fluids, among others need attention and in time need to be replenished or replaced. Casa or third party, it's your personal choice. Also, you want to have your car looking good. Car wash and detailing maintain that fresh look, so be sure to have your car cleaned and detailed. Registration. After 3 years or so of free registration, you're on your own. Save up for emission tests, insurance, and fees that varies by car type. Number 3. Insurance and repair funds. Have cash set aside for annual insurance and unexpected repairs. Balance insurance benefits and out-of-pocket costs. Save for wear and tear repairs too. It's always good to save up in case of unfortunate events. Lastly, fuel wisely. Rising fuel prices, plan and budget to keep enjoying your car for fun and work. There you go. If you have additional tips, please share at the comment section below. Remember, take care of your car in the garage. It will take care of you on the road. Pedro Reviews, drive safely, and enjoy your journey.